Hello everyone. This is another easiest question from NEET 2026 Physics subject. The question is the peak value of an alternating current is 5 ampere with the frequency 60 Hz. So the question is how long will the current starting from 0 take to reach the peak value? Okay, so what is the meaning of the peak value? Peak value is nothing but the maximum value of the current. Okay, we have to find out the time taken to reach that peak value current. Okay, so if you look at the graph of the alternating current, okay, it can be draw like this. Alternating current represents this graph. So the peak value will get here at the maximum value of the current will get here. Okay, so this to complete this full cycle, it takes time t. Okay, so at this half cycle, time is t by 2, and the maximum value of the current we will get at the time t by 4 period. Okay, so the time period is nothing but total time to reach that peak value is nothing but t upon 4. So if we apply the formula of time period, which is nothing but 1 upon frequency, so time is nothing but time period means 1 upon f, and upon 4 is also there, so 1 by 4f. So t is equal to 1 upon 4f, and the frequency is given 60 Hz. So 1 upon 4 times 60, so 6 for the 24, so 1 by 240 second. Okay, so the time is 1 by 240. This is the correct answer. Thank you.